Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. We are back to share with you more DIYs for Kira Bailey's comfy platform tent. See how to make your own Flowers of Australia tapestry, clothespin photo hanger, koala throw pillow, bottle of hand soap and nature magazine. Leave a like if you enjoy this video and subscribe to help our channel grow.
G'day! I'm going on a bushwalk with Kira and Little Bean. So come on, let's go!
To make the tapestry, Google Wildflowers of Australia. This vintage botanical image is really close to the AG one. Copy into a Word or Paint document. We are using calico fabric cut and taped down to a sheet of computer paper. Our printer will take thicker cardstock, so this should be okay. If you are unsure or not able to print on fabric, just use a cream-coloured paper instead. Next, flip over your panel and cover with glue. Using a paintbrush really helps to spread it evenly over the calico. Now place a smaller rectangle of fabric on top. Press to smooth out any air bubbles. Generously cover the sides and bottom with glue and fold over for a clean edge. At the top of the tapestry, place a barbecue skewer and roll the fabric over to seal it in. Give your piece 24 hours to dry. We used a lot of glue. When it is dry, you can make holes in the stiff fabric with a push pin. Following this, thread pink embroidery floss. First, come in from the back of the tapestry, then enter the second hole from the front. We glued the tail ends down. Clip off the excess skewer and string your picture up on the back beam of the tent. Let's move on to the photo clothespin. Take more embroidery floss, cut to 25 centimeters, and tie 3 strands together with a loop at one end. Secure to your work surface and begin to plait. When you get to the end, tie the floss into a knot. Side note, if you'd like to see how we gave this OG camera a makeover to look like Kira's, check out channel AG Nation for our guest tuber video. The pictures were screenshot from Biggest AG Fans unboxing video. Cut them to fit pieces of white cardstock 2 by 3 centimeters. Cover with sticky tape so your photos have a shiny finish. These raw wooden mini pegs came from Kmart and are perfect for this craft. Simply peg onto your plaited string and attach the photo. Then loop it to the back beam of the tent. On to the throw pillow. Tape a 15 centimeter square of pink fabric to a non-stick surface. Referencing an AG stock image, we drew the koala in pencil first. With acrylic paint, colour the sky areas, feathering the paint out for a soft effect. With a mid-grey shade, paint the top of the koala's head and sides of the koala's body. We added white to our grey paint to get a lighter colour for the tummy, face and ears. It's okay to paint outside the lines, as this will help blend the shades of grey. Add some pink to the inner ear, then use dark grey or black for the nose, eyes and outline strokes. Set aside to dry. Next, cut another square of pink cotton and place the pieces good side together. Pin around your image. Machine or hand sew around all the sides, leaving a small gap at the bottom to turn the cushion out. Fill with batting. Then stitch the gap closed. Add your koala throw pillow to the bedding set from our Tent Accessories 1 tutorial for the perfect pop of colour. For a quick hand soap, we are taking this OG shampoo bottle and spray painting it hot pink. We will also harvest the pump piece from this Coles Mini Shop toy. Simply hot glue the two pieces together. The neck of the bottle slips inside the pump perfectly. Print, paint or draw the Beach Rose label, attaching the paper to the bottle with glue stick. For extra shine, wrap the label with packaging tape. For our fifth craft, Google National Geographic with koala cover to source images to put together for a magazine. Copy and paste. We have a saved document for the American Girl magazine we found on the net when making Joss's surf bus accessories. Fill all 8 spaces with your selected images, then print off on regular computer paper. Following the guidelines, cut out the pairs of images. Fold the paper for inside the magazine, good side facing in, and the magazine cover with the image facing out. With glue stick, adhere your pages together. Then attach the cover. Now your dolls have 5 new Aussie themed items. Check out our Kira playlist to make your own Outback world and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.